Hi everyone, Chase at IPORT here. I wanted to take a couple minutes and walk you through the process of installing the PoE Network Adapter into the bottom of a base station. Out of the box, the CONNECT PRO BaseStation comes with a DC power supply, but optionally you can use part number 72101 to upgrade the base station to have hardwired internet data and power over PoE. Let's jump into how you do that. First thing to get started, you're going to want to take the IPORT security tool that's provided with the base station, insert it into the bottom of the base station in the two locations at the back. You're going to turn them counterclockwise to unlock the security foot from the base station. Once you're done loosening the two back screws, you're going to tilt the base station forward. A word of caution, you want to make sure that you're not lifting the base station while you're unscrewing it because this foot is extremely heavy. Next, we're going to lay the base station down on its face to get access to the internal electronics. Next, we need to remove the existing DC electronic components that are in here. To do so, simply grab underneath the component here, lift it forward. It does make a little bit of snapping sound, but that's okay. That's going to free up the DC board. I'm going to want to lightly pull the connection cable that's connecting to the board. That will free this up permanently. And then I simply pull and eject all the rest of the components. You no longer need this, so you can go ahead and recycle that or discard it however you want. You're going to want to make sure that you do hang on to and keep the cable retention clip. Next, you're going to want to take your PoE adapter, plug in the cable into the bottom. There's only one location of the Molex connection. One thing you want to note, there's two sides of this cable. The one with the gold pins facing up visibly is the direction that you want to insert the Molex connection. It will only fit one way, that just makes it easier to identify. Before installing the CAT cable into the PoE network adapter, you're going to want to run it through this cable retention clip. This clip, when installed, faces the metal pin towards the back of the base station. So you're going to want to take your CAT cable, your RJ45 is going to go through the top of this, run it through, and leave this free for now. Next, you're going to install your CAT cable into the PoE network adapter and seat it down in place where the previous power adapter was installed. It should snap into place and hold securely. Now I'm going to take my cable retention clip. You're going to hook the front of it and set it down in place. If you wanted to, you can run the CAT cable down the wire chase and secure it by moving the little metal clip over in its place. Now at this point, you're free to reinstall the base station onto the security foot and use the IPORT security tool clockwise to tighten the screws. So that completes the installation of the 72101 into your base station. It's now equipped with PoE power and with hardwired internet data. If you have any more questions, check us out at iport.io. Thanks.